Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to scan QR code on Discord mobile. Whether you're using an Android device or iPhone, the steps remain the same. The first thing you will need to do is open Discord. Then you want to tap on the three dashes in the top left hand corner. And from here, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you will see the option Scan QR Code. You can simply tap on that, and from here you could hover over the QR code. This is just an example. Then once you have hovered over the QR code, you will be able to scan it, and that's it. The reason why that didn't go through is because it's a random QR code off the internet. That's how to scan QR code on mobile. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.